Hey guys, Michael Patterson here. Today I'm going to install some side steps on my Jeep Wrangler, 4-door JK. Hinge steps. It's going to allow me to get up and down off the roof easier, get cargo down, put the rooftop tent up and down easier. So we're going to unbox those, put them on the Jeep, check them out, see how they do. Hit me up in the comments if you have any questions or comments about the vlog. Let's get started. Alright guys, now we're going to do the unboxing. Cargo Master side steps for the Jeep JK. I think we got the hardware. And whoops, getting away from me there. So this is essentially what it looks like. Very simple, up and down. It's two brackets. And we got all the hardware. Rubber strips, those will go behind the steps, so not to hurt the paint on the door. Of course, longer screws, as well as washers and lock washers. The garbage. And get started. Let me get this, move over to the Jeep, and we'll get started. Alright, so this is my 4-door JK 2016. First thing we got to do is take these bolts out, leave these tightened. When you take these out, that way you don't have to realign the door. And we're going to get started. Now, I'm going to take some cleaner and clean it, make sure there's no dirt behind it. Yes, because I haven't washed the Jeep in a while. A couple camping trips, and have not washed it in a while. First, we're going to go ahead and take one of the plastic bumpers that's going to go in between the two of each washer, so 2 flat washers, 2 lock washers, and of course 2 bolts. So lock washer, flat washer, lock washer, flat washer. Put the rubber gasket to protect your paint on the back. Then we're going to start installation. Pretty straightforward. And if you can tell by the sweat on my forehead, I am in Arizona, so it is about 105 degrees out here. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the bolts out of the bottom, right here, these two bolts. Then I will put this, same way as I did up here, onto there like so. Once this is tightened on, I'll loosen these up just a little bit to align this. Then we'll put the screw up through the bottom into here, and then we'll have one solid step. Okay, now that we have the top two in place, we're going to take the bottom bracket right here like so. It's going to get bolted right here. Actually, I was doing that upside down. It's going to get bolted right here like so, so the bottom touches the bottom of this. I'm going to bolt this in till it's tight, and then I'll loosen these again to line it up, simply because I don't want to have to align the door again. So I want to make sure one of these two sets of bolts are always tight. So same as before, flat washer and lock washer, flat washer. Through here. Going to clean this real fast just to get any dirt out of there. I'm gonna wipe all the sweat off my forehead because it is hot. It's hot, hot, hot. Woo! I have a nice big fan in here, but unfortunately 104, 105 degree air blowing on you doesn't feel much better than just sitting here. Plus, it would make it hard for you to hear me. Don't force these when you screw them in. They should screw in nice and easy to begin with, so you know you have them threaded properly. Don't want to strip them out. Tight. Now, I'm going to undo these. To make sure I get this in. There we have it, one step. Maybe we should try it out now. As you can see now, we have one step on and complete. Going to repeat these steps on the other side, as well as in the front if you choose to put 4 on. I'm going to put 4 on. Today I'm only going to put the 2 on. I wanted to check them out and see how they worked before I went and spent the money Well, that's it for installation, everybody. I'm going to put one on the front as well, and then I'll have two on both sides. Make it easy to get up to each section of the rooftop rack. I have the ladder on the rear, so it's no issue there, as well as the tires. Tires are always an easy one. So far, I like it. I mean, it seems to hold my weight, no problem. I'm not the lightest guy. So far, I'm happy with it. If I see anything I don't like, I'll make another video and let you know. Thank you guys for tuning in. I will put links below for this product, and hit me up if you have any questions or anything else. Thank you guys for watching. Take care. We'll see you soon.